everybody, welcome back to Samsung in a Minute, the channel that trains you on your Samsung Galaxy devices in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to talk about how you're able to set up your favorite pens on your Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So first off, what you want to do is, let's say that we close out of this application, start from fresh. If you go inside of your Samsung Notes and you hit on this plus button, that means you're going to add in a brand new note. And you could be doing this with either text, writing, or also drawing with some brushes and colors and things like that. Now, if you're inside of here and let's say that you take a lot of notes. Well, you can see here that maybe this is not the pen and color and the way that it looks that I want to use. And let's say that there's 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 8 of your favorite pens that you always use all the time. Because maybe you go through here and you're like, I'm going to use this one. I want it to be at this color. I also want it to be at this thickness. So instead of doing all of this, just so you can go through here and make a little note, you can go right over here on the very bottom left-hand side, and these are your favorite pens. So actually, this one right here is set up so this way if I wanted to highlight something, so now I've got my highlighter. I also have this one here, which is really fun, to write with. It's just super simple. It's easy. If I go right over here, I've also got this one. Again, another one that's super fun. Kind of different ways of drawing. So what you're able to do is once you go on the very bottom over here, when you click on the plus button, this is where you're able to choose what you want. So let's say that we want this one, we want it to be this thick, I want this particular color, and I hit on done at this thickness, and then I hit on add. And so now when I hit on this button here, so now I can actually start writing and doing things with that. The other cool thing is that if you actually hit on your S Pen button, you'll notice that there's going to be a change with your favorite pens. So it's a way you're able to change really fast between going from, this little pen to this pen, to that little highlighter, to this pen, and then over into this one. So when you have them set up, they're going to show right over here, and press the button to actually get them changed. Any of these you don't want, hit on the little minus button or the little X. You get rid of it, and then now you're done, and now you're just down to those favorite pens. So I hope that you guys found this video to be helpful for the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Most people don't know of this feature, but hit on this little like button if you guys liked it. Hit on subscribe right over here at the very bottom left-hand side. If you like this video, more than likely you're also going to like this video as well. And I'll see you guys later.
I got tons of soul, I'm a true collectible. Famous, so famous, #1 desirable. I do what I want, when I want, and how I want it. Leave you with the one in the air, that's how I roll. I got tons of soul, I'm a